So Omar Abasad, 4:21 p.m., August 26, 2019. So just a short sample of the tagging. Notice how bright that alarm is. So the pain is back, up and down, the breast. So the temperature, 36.5, 36.5, 37.2. So it would make sense that there's a variation between the two sides because the two sides are being pulsed differently. Different power, different frequency, different rates. So the temperature is all over the place. 37.2, 37.2, 37.2, 37.2, 37. So the readings next to my body, this is me, that's me. I'm going to pull this next to me. See how high that reading was? All the way down to 605, 582, up and down, up and down, up and down. See the pulsing effect? So the pain is back. I'm starting to feel heavy again, a feeling of heaviness on my body. My arm is hurting, my chest is hurting, my back is hurting.